Ki Samla Pule ke North Eastern Hill University Nehu Shillong hakasan tarik unai wing kila penbena ban pelong da kajinga ki syak tangan ga baklemput bat kajing khang dam ya ka skul ba barok ka wei naduk Henry tarik unai wing arjar apasau ban penpau persyak ya kajing bam shimkia jong vice chancellor ya ki mat jingdawa ki jongki ya kani karai la penbena da general secretary ka Nehu Student Union Nehu Su usamla Tony Ho Kharsati hadien kajinga kendo ya vice chancellor ka Nehu u professor PS Shukla usamla Tony Ho habakran hadien ka jingalang ula ong bawatla vice chancellor ula menjur banyak kendo samla Pule Henry patlong satya ubakloi banyak keren halor ki jingdawa jong ki samla Pule ki balabu hakmat jong u nadu usnam arjar ar u vice chancellor ulas ngap menti bat umnut satya ban shimya karai halor ki jingdawa ki bangila ai bun sin lingba ki dorkas nadu usnam arjar ar kumta nadu la shai kan rio tarik nai wing ngin pelong da kajing syak tangan bak lemput bat ban khangdam ya ka Nehu campus tat hadu baki bor badai khmi kin shim ya ki sin jam ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa ki jongi ulaong u samla Tony Ho ulakan turu ya ka sarkar jela bakan tuklar lem mardor bat pentung no ya vice chancellor ubat mai ubadan ya ka jing kli na ka benta ka bahaka met jong ki samla Pule bat ka skul ba hi baro kwei na kalyang upresiden ka KSU Nehu unit usamla shibat lang rembai ulaong bakaseng kanya chakmat ya kanika jinga ki syak tangan da kabaya weru eki para samla Pule ka Nehu banwanya snok tilang tat hadu ba vice chancellor unshim ya ki sin jam ban pen urlong ya ki mat jingdawa jong ki samla Pule kini kimat kimde satya tang kimat jong ki samla Pule na kajat pen riu khasi Henry ki dei kimat ki bakta ya baro ki samla Pule na ki kinhon jat pen riu bapher ki ba Pule hakat skul ba Nehu kumta nga kentu ya baro bakin wan yasno ktilang ha kanika jingya ki syak tangan ong usamla shibat lang rembai shwa kane kajingya kendu la pelong ya kajingya pat ba da ka khasi student union KSU Nehu unit bat ka Nehu Student Union Nehu Su na Central Library shapo administrative block ban IT ya ki jingdawa sha vice chancellor kini kimat jingdawa ki kentup halor ka jingdawa ban wengkam ya registrar deputy registrar bat ki wei ki officer bashutung bean da vice chancellor ka Nehu ka jingram palat ka bai hostel ka jingbam biang ki hostel bat bantung mardor ya upro vice chancellor ha ka juk kapor na kalyang ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association METTA jong ka Nehu ru ka ai ka jingkarshan ka bapura ya ka jinga ki jong ki samla Pule ki no hikai kilalet ya kendu ru e ki samla Pule ki bayaki syak tangan hakmat ka office of vice chancellor
infrastructure the leakage the seepage system that is happening since 2022 sir so since 2022 and the same issues is also being highlighted in our memorandum sir so then why are you taking so long sir 2 years sir
how many years did it 5 6 8
sir even how many years not you say
tell us how many years you need 10 years or 20 years so that we know
you are well aware about the position of
registrar deputy registrar and all those legal appointments yes sir
appointment earlier there is no any university engineer in between I already
that is your
give our memorandum sir now it's high time for you to step down
after joining
sir you have failure it is high time for you to step down
after joining
it is high time for you to step down you cannot take action against this illegal appointments persons who are not competent it's high time for you to step down
I am ready
you are ready sir yes sir
please
step down
that's all we have no more confidence in your leadership so please we are requesting you step down from your post sir you are even the registrar please step down that's it as of now that's only our demand as for now 2000 students
this is not possible it's only depend on the government
in your leadership nothing is possible I'll tell you sir in your leadership nothing is possible there's no
step down
I cannot
you think about it
I cannot counter you can say
yes I'm smiling and making
you don't know anything sir we had a talk with him just now we have said to him about this memorandum that we submitted in the month of September he told us that he is taking time to compile all this memorandum and give us a favorable response Yes. However, when we raised this same memorandum that was submitted back then in 2022 by the previous student body, he said that it is his failure that he was not able to comply with this. Now, if he is not able to fulfill the memorandums of 2022, will he be able to fulfill this memorandum that we have submitted freshly in 2024? If he is incompetent, we find that this person should step down.
University dalangi overall welfare jo university ka bhabangi dan pas da we the vice chancellor aya une number ba ula do ong hilala de na do arja ar ki ding demand songi student union ki barim khamla on pendep ta ka bhayu ur ba un song thai na ba un resign na kan ka post khang ba ka university jongi hi kan la ban la kham bha shu bangi na kan student union ngi scam badarawan ki vc ki bakham sham phang ki bakham bha ban une ki bakham sing thu ki bakham experience kin khamla shu ban tri nam ta ka university jongi ban tri ta ka bha ka met the students community jongi ban university la kelen jongi ngi singa ba ha ka de namar ba kum bash o magane university jongi ka ha ba schedule ka ba ka schedule areas te ni kloi ni pyang ni baki ni pat ni long ni dan ni ta ka jing ba ba ladaka sarkar ni jela jongi ro ada ka shim interest ka ni ke issue ni kloi ban pedang kamta me namar ba ka ne ka de namta suban shu o magane ke university ka jongi ka dan ha ka ne ka di jongi ka jela ka jongi ban ta jaj cepat khasi jongi ni semutu ba ka university ba kini gidong ikmat jongi ro kidi ban shim ban ba kli ke ro ka ne ka minta namar kum ban shu ong ba ngi tang ka ne ka we ka university ka badang tre ka menta ka ne ka jela jongi katu ka state university ho ai ka don ta mahat mentangi pati ba ka long functional re takum ka ne ka university ka ba de ka reputed university ngi de ban bu nge kata ka scientific ngi de ban impact ke nya ka integrity nya ka university jongi ka baladan
bang phai ha baro hi ta ka ba jumlong jingman jang ka skuba no hi bro kwe bang iba hidup Islam pelawan apa uni wasis pelawan sini sa ano ko bisi apa Muslim arja par nakaliang ka kisu na for shapori ka bu etiji jindawa apa de ba jing happen met ya ki hostels kita ki surox ki siking ka de bat ka wamra jiksu ba jing to ya ki parat na pule ya ki for ni ba ki Islam ba de nila persang beken halor ki mat ki curah ataupun kita ka bhagamiat zai kemsok tangkawero de Muslim arja par nakaliang ki isu ni unit hi kala khang ka office isi bat kunju Muslim arja apply kala khang yang sisin ka office tu bas yang jong isi bat ka jingkhang ka office tu ka khlam siso yang noro lesi kejikang jengi ka office mu la arse di ti mta ka debit ha kabaw ay gitang coverable assurance kabaw ang ba unle kita la ita but kanu kata ka jingle kabaw ang ba ba un tre dam ta ka ha kamet jeng pas na puling de dangshan hi ngi nakaliang ka KSU unit ba kunjo kanesu lalimi khang ya ka office jong register bod register te bang ipit ha pro kiliang ba ka jing delay ki bantu ka tuncam ki nursing staff ya ki no hikai ha bang ibun bagi lak department sebaka zuna ki no hikai bat ki zuna ki nursing staff ka beli ka petko ya ka kontrakam jong department repair but hakajo kapor ba dakshan hi adam chips nem kana pumi ya ka replacement hakaba kaban bangkhot yaki kinawat kam ba habe de but ki non teaching staff but tala dap system pinti kadap halai tering de but kani kala labs kabang hap bangkhot ban ri advertise bang ya kani ka kani ki post ki bakila apply mana kanem jika bang iba kerja ro buat adab akaba ya ka post jong registrar post kini ki jong di art ki barok ka chele tengta ki post sisen ki post ki advertise sisen ki advertise biang tangban ya bantung da ki bru ki jong ki kani kai jikle ki long hakini ki bantah akaba kia lakut ya por jong advertisement jong kini ki non staff jong ki de mentapat lesi nak daw jing don jiki jung ki kapit kay ki pendile no but ki pendile no ya kani ka recruitment process but lesi kim advertise bang ya kani kumjo ba kin kibrujuki ba kin pha kibrujuki ben tap bat ba kin manapit akatakar kom ba kin man kibrujuki kan pos ba tikin higani ga jingda wajini nak spor ba diski ba bagin ba jento yeski na u register ba ki DR ba tunjuk kuwi ke ba tung bian kum kita ki special officer of special duty Compass Development Council ba kiwi ki in charge ba ki ba ki bala kinjo ya ka kila akot ya kata ka ba kimlesu ban yo kam ke kan hi kuwi la shai sni le se la ka jingi ngila ban baik aki ngila ban mi nang ni pos ba ndrei uni wisi pa ulak ban tumbyang da kibri ki jungu hi se ki kini kijo da kiwi pat ke ka penong ni bangin ni chmat mentak se ka long baik bangin dawa bangin sku ba khe dot marba jingle jing ban biang man syong ka tengok sku ka penong ni bi haban sir haban mi madan bat ban sim da kani senjam bat ba deng bom ta da jeki ni ka long jeki ka jing dawa jing ka long bang sisa tak do bangin da ya u jing job bangin mi nang ni naka office jong wa sa chalo
dan kenuno kapok proses nakaba usyong kata komiti ki kendrum kendram de nakaba di mo uhi ba klido ubala bentung ubala benweng kuno nakaba utung hi naldi na force kapo ande benweng pat usyong do katni tinakal yang kajumi hi mis mo ba nakal VC hi badan nakani university umla ita ban penyat bet kini university tinakal yang kajumi hi nilai pembet bat nilai keren nilai sim lo kani karai bagin ong ben sedang lo kani kahang strike ka bang ni dawa bat pen harsuki university ru bat boro ikti kelas tung be an tikum tagi ne ru bane sibjing la sedang mencong kani gajing sa jingit ka bang in beteng be kani kaduk sini banwan kaduk tat deba kani ka central government kan skap kani gajing dawa ka jung
jumlah bantung kajing bom thung provinsi kalau kita haduk kata-kata kalau penplot ya ki board rekam ki bagi ong ki statutory bodies kom ka academic council bat ke executive council jong ka university ya kajing bom dan kini ki provinces way hatura but way hangnya silong ulayolat besi marway ban leman bat ban rai kat buman ni bobon dikam ti kan jayu ya kajing ko jingkia ya kajing em jong ni samla nalor bakin du ya kajing kuli kin jayu ikinong tre jo ke university lada ke university kalong ke ne ka kumta na kalian jong ka meta kajing sangi rangdan na pedeng ka meeting yo jingte bagi kena kilawan ban lunch ya ka agitation jong ki da kajing syakhan tingimban se ban wan pet ban wan i ki ba ki na ka puta ki hok kum ka meta rai bangin ai ke jing kersan ya baro ijing dawa ba songhok bat ya baro ijing dawa iki sinjam ban trekam persya ya kitu kijile bombay bomhok jong ne bai sa